This is actually my first time to be seeing this kind of chili pepper. And this is from the Philippines. It's purple, man. Purple. Chili pepper. Amazing. So second day sa Pilipinas. I'm here at the lobby and it's 5:30 early in the morning. It's gonna be 1:30 in the afternoon. Oceanside, California, man. So alam mo yon, yung body clock mo still like US. So yun ang problema pag may kasama ko. So lakad-lakad din. Bali pinakakuan ko to. Yung kinain kong breakfast is tanghalian ko dyan sa Oceanside. So well, anyway, I was gonna try to, madilim pa naman, I was gonna try to explore. I don't know, I'm gonna go somewhere else, pero tingnan natin.